Here's a week and a half cold start right now. Let's see how they turned out. What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So yeah, I got all the dogs outside with me today and you can have to come in. I'm sorry. Okay, so I have all the dogs outside. But we are going to be installing these little light things. So these lights go like where the feet go. It comes with 4 different lights. So I'm going to put, you know, one here, there, and then the back of the seats. No one sits back there, but only sometimes. But I'm gonna put them there anyways. I got them from Amazon. And so I guess we're gonna see how this turns out. The car is still on jack stands. So I just got my wheels back yesterday. So I'm going to ceramic coat them and then we should be pretty much good to go. Now I'm not really sure about the dirt roads after ceramic coating them because you can't wash ceramic coat for like 2 weeks. So I'm not really sure about that. But I did get spark plugs and wires for my car, but I did not get coil packs. So yeah, that's gonna have to wait because I literally just dropped like $2 grand on my car. So we'll get coil packs maybe in a couple weeks. But yeah, so we're gonna see how these turn out, but I will show you what's in the box. This is what the box looks like. I will leave the link below. They are from Amazon. I think they were like 20 bucks. I think something like that. I'll put that here. So this is what it looks like. You have the wire. So you have all the wires. So this is going to plug into here. So I am basically going to put a light strip here, and then run the wire back. And kind of, I think I'm going to try to tuck it in here and then run it back in here because you can't go straight here, so I'm going to tuck it back here because this will pull out and then I'm just going to put it right here. So there'll be a little bit of wire showing here, but I'm going to try to tuck everything on the side as best as I can. I'm going to lay it out right now and then I'm going to show you it. So this is where it needs to plug in. So I put this here first. And then there's 4 different wires that go for the lights. So I put one up here, one over here, one behind the passenger, and then one behind my seat. So I had my phone recording and it stopped recording. So it comes with these like wipes. So you just want to wipe down the surface first. So basically right now I'm just going to stick the lighting where I want it to stick. And then we're going to figure out the wire situation. Just so we know everything is in its place. So I just stuck this one down. So I stuck it right there. It's not blocking anything. And that side's good to go. So we're going to go do the other side. And I will do a cold start at the end of this video. So make sure you do not miss that. So I got my wipe again. I'm just gonna look where I want to apply it. First, I think I'm just gonna apply it to the edge. So I'm just gonna wipe. Make sure you put where the wire is coming out of on the side where you want it at. You know, not flipped and then you want the wire going this way. I don't know if I like that. So it's not a flat surface, but I think it'll work. So we're just gonna stick it on there because I don't like that it shows up here. So okay. It has no problem, so it's stuck right there. I felt like if I put it right here, I just didn't want it to show, so so now on to the back seats. Oh, found a screwdriver. So the back seats all fabric. So I'm just gonna stick it on the seat and I guess hope for the best. Just make sure you take your wipe again. I'm just gonna wipe the seat, just make sure there's no grease or anything. I don't know. I do not know. I got a lot of stuff in here. I don't even know what I have in there. And then we're going to stick this on. Okay, so now I'm in the back seat, so I'll do the same thing, wipe it off. Make sure you just push it all the way on. Okay, so there is a lot of extra wire. The only problem is I don't have any zip ties. But, okay, so back here you can pop this off. What I'm gonna do is hide this wire. Just like that. So then it goes in and close it. Okay, so I left it a little loose just so if I move my seat back and forth, it has a little bit of slack. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. So I'm just going to just wire up. I'm going to give it a little bit of slack. I have this open. Okay, that worked. I just gave it a little bit of slack. Actually, I'm gonna tuck it in this way. Oh yeah. Just gonna tuck it in. So I'm just tucking it on the side so it's not hanging. Yeah, all good back here. So now we're gonna move to the front. So I am gonna figure out this wire situation, get some zip ties and tie it up better. I'm not gonna tuck it in from the bottom. I'm gonna pull this out. So I put it up there. I'm putting it under the clips though. Oh my gosh. Sorry, this is really hard to do with one hand. And I have all the dogs running around right now because there's a horse passing by. So I'm just putting it under those clips. And then so right on this edge, and then close it off. So there's one wire going in. I might have to fix this better because I don't like how they're coming at both sides, but maybe there's more. I don't know. I might move this to come out this side just so everything's the same. You know, not every corner there's a wire. Okay, but we'll see. I'm going to tuck it all under here. Just pull that out. So I'm gonna start on this side, shove the wire through. It's hanging, just push it in. There's a little bit of wire right there. So I'm gonna fix that. It's just really hard, like with the camera in my hand and then trying to do this at the same time. But you get the point. Do whatever you want with the wires. Maybe I'll figure something out. It's like a freaking spider web in this thing. There is a little code on here. So you're gonna scan this with your phone. You're gonna go on your camera, scan this, and then a little notification will come up. And then you can download the app. There you just hit the camera. So while this downloads, I'm gonna fix that mess. So all I did was put these sides up here so that they're all together, and then just like wrapped it up and put it here. So I mean, I don't know, do whatever you want, but that's what I'm working with right now. So we're going to have a little dog break right now while the app is installing. It's Hercules and Annie Mae and Scarlet, and of course got big boy Zeus here. So it finally uploaded. So, woohoo! Swipe through those. Okay, so once it gets to this screen, I'm gonna turn this on. And then you're gonna hit this one up here. I think it's connected. Oh, they are working. Okay, so they are working. It's just super bright out. My bad. So you just control it on your app and, you know, mess with the colors. But yeah, so if you want to order a pair, just go to the link in my bio. But I'm going to show you, but I am going to fast forward into tonight and show you what they look like tonight. So let's see how they turned out. Okay, they're on yellow. Oh my god, that dinging. Ooh, blue. Oh my gosh. They don't really have like a purple. So I can make it darker, brighter. I really like the teal because it matches. You can do different modes. Oh my god, it's giving me a headache. Oh, there is a purple. That's like a blue though. It's a blue in person. It looks purple in the video. Super good quality, super happy with it. And just a small little thing you can do to, you know, change up your interior just a little bit. So now that you've seen the future that I have not seen yet, I'm just gonna close out the video now. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like tonight. It's always something I wanted to do. I feel like when it's nighttime, like there's like stuff around my feet and something's gonna like grab my feet. Yeah, I know I'm weird, but I just always wanted to be like lit up. So yeah. So I have not drove in a week. No, a week and a half. Because it was last Wednesday. Yeah. So like a week and a half. I got my wheels painted. And I'm going to be ceramic coating them tonight and tomorrow. And I live on a really like long dirt road. Yes, it's not my ideal situation, but sometimes in life you have to do the things that you don't want to do. So everything else in my life is getting better. Oh my gosh. It's getting better. It's just literally this dirt road that I have to deal with. So I literally will drive my car once a week get all the videos for YouTube and then my pictures taken the same day so I don't have to drive again. But basically, I bought ceramic coat from this really good company. I messaged him on Instagram and I just told him about my situation, because you literally cannot look it up online. Like, because you can look up online like what you need to do your first 2 weeks of having ceramic on your car. So you're not supposed to wash it, but if you do rinse it off, that it needs to at least be like 24 hours. And if you rinse it off, you need to dry it and like dab it or whatever, like pat dry it. So yeah. So I was like really concerned about ceramic coating my wheels, because I have Cars and Coffee next Sunday, and then I have a photo shoot with my car on like the 30th. I think on the 31st I have a photo shoot. I don't remember. And I was like I don't want to drive my car until they're cured, because ceramic is so like, I don't want to ceramic them. I don't want to ceramic coat them and then they get ruined. I'd rather just not drive my car. So they said to at least wait 5 days. I'm just going to give it a week and probably wait until Cars and Coffee next Sunday, because today is Saturday. Like 7-8 days, I don't know. I probably will wait until Cars and Coffee to drive my car, just to make sure that I don't have any problems. Because your first week or so is like the most important part of ceramic coat. So I just want to make sure that I don't mess anything up. But yeah. So, I don't know. But I cannot wait to drive my car. So I'm going to give you guys a little cold start. And I'm probably going to keep it on for a little bit to just get it warmed up. But yeah. So it hasn't been on in like a week and a half, which is crazy. I miss driving my car. I'm like, I don't know. I just want to drive my car so freaking bad. It's so sad. But, that's it for this video. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and night and whatever. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, follow me on TikTok. I barely post there, but when I do, it's like once a month, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Instagram, I'm a lot better if I have content. It's the only thing I struggle with this dirt road. I try to take as many pictures as I can and try to like switch it up. I don't know. But yeah. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!